It's Darren Wood here at Food Ingredients Europe 2017, and I'm on the Faravelli Group stand, and I'm talking with Guido about the company's expansion and also their new blend of hydrocolloids. And I want to talk to you about the company because it's growing all the time, isn't it? Tell me more.
Yeah, the company was founded in 1926 and has very long-lasting roots, but is also looking at the future. We have recently opened an office in the United States with salespeople touching the different areas, and for this reason we are also implementing our activity of sourcing in China and India, which is very important because a lot of ingredients, we know it very well for the food industry, come from those areas, sorry, yeah.
But there's difficulties associated with that, isn't there? Could you tell me about some of the challenges you faced and how you're attempting to overcome them?
Gosh, it became extremely difficult and complicated to source, especially from China. Everybody knows about the pollution and the environment problems they have, and the solutions that China found is touching and affecting the chemical industry. So it became difficult, to guarantee a solid, supply from there. So we have an office with well-prepared people that are pre-selecting and suppliers, and also maintaining very, very open relations with them, so we can check if they can continue to produce and they can be reliable in terms of supply.
So tell me about Fara. What makes it different to other products on the marketplace?
It's a very interesting and fascinating environment, and we have decided a few years ago to open a facility where we blend hydrocolloids. We have now a team of technicians that are developing tailor-made recipes for the customers. So if you want to solve problems of texture, stability, you want to also extend your shelf life. So these are the solutions for you. Sometimes, or most of the times, one single hydrocolloid is not the solution. So you need to blend them. We have the capability to work together with the clients, with the R&D of the clients, and to find the right combination of hydrocolloids. The brand we use is Fara. Let me show the brochure here. We don't have global solutions, but very, very tailor-made recipes. So I invite all the clients that need help to contact us and to develop with us new solutions for them.
Absolutely, and one of the key things that we're seeing in today's ever-changing marketplace is flexibility options. Companies like yourselves have to offer the clients flexible options. So can you talk to me about how important that is, and B, what the Faravelli Group are doing to offer those sort of things?
Yeah. Being a medium-sized company is offering an advantage to be more flexible than maybe big multinationals, and also we have a very good technicians that have been involved for many years in the world of the hydrocolloids, which is very important to understand also the details of the applications. So at the end, if a customer is open enough and to collaborate and to release the right information, we are sure to arrive to the right solution. And also our facility is very flexible in terms of production and also packaging, so we can definitely also produce small quantities and not only huge batches. So this is also an advantage for the small and medium-sized clients.
And looking from the outside in, one question that springs to mind is, why the Faravelli Group? What sets you apart from the marketplace, from those on the marketplace?
Well, listen, the Faravelli Group started many years ago in Italy, and basically evolved from a core business which was pharmaceutical, also in the food industry, and in this moment food, not only in Italy but also in other countries, but Italy is a place where food is extremely relevant, it's so important that also the investments of the company went in this direction. Pharma is a more structured world. It is more difficult to interact with the companies that have a fantastic background by themselves. The food industry is more open to innovation. That's why the company and the family Faravelli decided to make the investment with this production plant to really offer not only single ingredients but solutions to the clients.
And let's talk about the future, because companies always have one eye on what's coming next, and we're no different. What's in the future for the Faravelli Group? Is there anything on the pipeline that you could maybe talk to me about today?
But listen, for sure there will be a geographical expansion again, and unfortunately I cannot in this moment disclose any information. And we are also working on the product portfolio to introduce new specialties that will be applied and will be promoted around. Again, I can't disclose information in this moment, but our team will contact the clients. Again, we are working also on projects that regard colors, flavors, these type of things that will go in synergy with the rest of the portfolio we have.
We'll have more on this on foodbev.com very soon. Guido, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thanks everybody. Thanks Darren.